Hello everyone, myself Alpna Avasthi, Shivaji Group of Institution. This is class 8th E, subject is computer. This is the part 4 video of chapter 1 operating system. Today's topic is user interface. What is the user interface? User interface means how to user interact with computer. A user interface is the set of commands, menu, and icons that a user need to communicate with a computer. That means user interface is one of the most important aspects of any operating system, and effective interface make the operating system more attractive, useful, and user friendly. Now, based on the user interface, an operating system can be divided into two parts. First is CUI and second is GUI. Full form of CUI is character user interface and full form of GUI is graphical user interface. Now, this is the screen of character user interface. It is also called command line interface. A command line interface is a user interface in which tasks are performed by typing commands. It uses a command prompt to enter commands in the computer. Just like C, this is the C:/. This is the command prompt. Okay, this is the command prompt where user enter a command and press enter. The command is executed. A command prompt is a combination of text and symbol, and it is used to notify the user that the command line interface is ready to accept command. This is the now. Okay, student. So you see in display command prompt. A CUI is easy to understand and execute, but it is not user friendly because it is difficult to remember all the required commands. Okay, now second user interface is Windows. This is the GUI interface. Full form of GUI interface is graphical user interface. This is user friendly interface. In this interface you see small icons, buttons, windows and menu on the screen. All these features replace the command that we need to type in a CUI. It eliminates the need for user to remember whole lots of command. A user can carry out of all the tasks needed simply by clicking a mouse. Microsoft Windows and MS and Mac OS is the example of GUI. Now we will discuss difference between CUI and GUI. Difference between CUI and GUI. CUI full form is character user interface. GUI full form graphical user interface. In CUI, user uses a keyboard to give commands to the computer. In GUI, a user gives commands by simply mouse clicking on the icon and buttons on the screen. Third point, it is CUI is not user friendly, GUI is user friendly. For difference in CUI, a user needs to remember all the command. This is tough task. Okay. In GUI, a user not need to remember all commands. Commands replaced with icons and buttons. So the example of CUI is MS-DOS, Linux, base, shell. And GUI example, Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.